Ang yan na 7 na si Sammy, parang hindi siya totoo. It's unbelievable na yung 7 years has already passed.
Masaya na nakakakaba kasi yung curiosity niya andyan eh. Tapos, ang dami niyang tanong, minsan nakakainis, lalo na kapag pagod ka. Pero, bata eh. Andun siya sa age na kailangan niyang malaman yung sagot dun sa mga questions niya.
This time, kids, let me introduce to all of you our birthday girl together with her mommy and daddy. So clap your hands for Sapena! Our first game, kids, is what we call guess the title of the song. Listen to it. What was your answer?
Dora.
Dora is?
Doraemon.
Ay, Dora and Doraemon.
Happy birthday, happy 7th birthday. Wish ko sa'yo is enjoy mo lang yung time mo as 7 years old. Don't be afraid na magkamali ka. Kapag nagkakamali tayo, doon tayo mas gumagaling. Doon tayo mas tumatalino, mahal.
I want you to bring me an ID. Any kinds of ID. Go. First three up. Okay na, kids. Meron akong first three. May nauna na. Okay, kuya. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, kuya Gavin. Meron na po.
Si Savi is very sweet and very loving sister to her little sister Katarina. So, napakalambing niya. Kasi walang day na hindi siya mag-hug and maglalambing talaga sa'yo.
Group yourself into 12. Go. All right.